So when did the pain start to bother you again? When did it come back again? Okay, okay. So you were okay for a couple of months anyhow then, no?
I went to I did some exercises.
They did some heavy lifting or something or what?
Just dumbbells.
Okay, okay. So you did some ERT and you got hurt. Okay, let's get that. Okay, let's go in the other room, please. Come in here. Let's have you over here. Let me see which side. On your left side, please. Left side down. Other side, please. That's left. So you just have the one child, one girl,
There's a little boy else.
and then you have a whole little boy too, huh? Okay. There we go. That's super. Okay, one now. So you still have credit here, huh? You need to maybe